Hello guys. So now we will see this question. Figure shows front view and top view of an object. Draw an isometric view. So this is front view. This is top view. O point is given on left side of an object. So in answer, first we will draw horizontal line. Then point O. We will mark a point O, and from point O, take 30-degree angle on both sides. And draw inclined lines. So this axis will be x, this is y, and vertical will be z. So as in question, O point is given on left side of diagram. So we will draw front view on right side of z axis. So we will draw front view on right side of z axis. So from O point, this is line, horizontal line along y axis. This is a z axis in top view. So top view plane will be this. So horizontal line is a y axis and vertical is x axis. Okay. So first we will see the front view and top view simultaneously. From O point, this line is of 35 plus 40, that is a 50. So from O point along y axis, take 50 mm. Then this point has a height 25, this point has a height 60. This line in top view is seen here, so it is on this line. There is a plane of this shape here, okay, in front. So from O point, this distance is 25, then 5 centimeter here, then 60 parallel to Z, then this point, this distance is 15 parallel to Y, 15, and this point is connected. So this is an inclined line. Now along x-axis the distance is 15. So take points on 15, then 45, then 60. Take points on, first point is at 15 mm, then from this 15 mm point 30 mm, and last point is at 60. All points has a height of 25 mm. So okay, all points has a height of 25 mm. Now this distance is 60. So draw these lines, two lines parallel to x-axis from this point 6 centimeter and also from this point 6 centimeter. Then draw line parallel to axis connecting these points. This is top rectangle, this is top rectangle, and now this point and this point is connected, so we will connect this point here. Now at this inclined line, now this horizontal distance along y-axis is 35, so along y-axis take 35, mark a point, and then along z-axis take total 50. So this distance is 35, right, and this distance is 15. Okay, sorry, this distance is 15, so from this point take this distance 15, and then draw vertical line. Now from this point draw line parallel to x-axis, and then now we have to draw this 60-degree line. So for that we cannot take direct angle in isometry, so if we draw a horizontal line here, then this angle, internal angle, becomes 30 degree. This angle, right, this angle becomes 30 degree. As this distance is 15, and right, this distance is 15, now we have to calculate this distance, this unknown distance. So here I will draw a right angle triangle. This angle is 30 degree. This distance is suppose x, this distance is 50, and this angle is 30 degree. So tan of 30 degree is x by 15, which is equal to 1 by root 3. So x will be equal to 15 upon root 3, 15 upon root 3, which is equal to 8.7 mm. So this x is equal to 8.7. So this distance is 8.7 mm. This x will be 8.7, right? The total is 15. So 15 minus 8.7 is this distance. So we have to mark this point 15 minus 8.7, this point. So from this point we will mark 15.8.7 here. 15.8.7 is, so 15.8.7 is 6.3. So we have to mark 15 minus 8.7, which is equal to 6.3. So mark 6 mm from this end on this line, and also from this end on this line, and then connect this point with this point. Now draw line parallel to z axis from this point, a faint line. Then draw line parallel to axis from this point up to this faint line, and now from this point make it dark, and from this point draw line parallel to x-axis from this point up to this line. So this will be our final answer. Remove the z-axis, it is not necessary, it is only for our visual purpose. Only make dark visible part. And finally draw dimensions. To draw this dimension, that is 35 and 15, extend this line, draw faint line, extend this line, draw faint line, then from this point along x-axis, this dimension, and this dimension. Now these are the extension lines. On this extension line draw dimension lines. Extension line should be very faint, dimension lines are medium faint, and actual diagram is dark. So this is our final diagram. Thank you guys.